So I was born and raised here in Leadville. I went to Lake County High School. While I was taking courses at the high school, I was also taking courses here at the CMC with the dual enrollment program, which really benefited me a lot because I was able to get a lot of my credits done through the high school. So I am an airport operations technician here at the airport. That means I just fuel up aircraft whenever they land, anything from a jet to a helicopter. I've actually been up in an airplane a couple times. I have about 5 flight hours, which is nothing too big, but it's a start. And I got the chance to fly in a helicopter, which is a pretty great experience. Yeah, so after I'm done here at CMC, I want to study aviation and eventually become a pilot. So my welding classes here, they're pretty awesome because they're just so small. I think in our class right now we have 6 students. Our instructor, Jeff, he's honestly a really great instructor. He's really approachable.
Hello, I'm Jeff Lotzenheiser, the professor of welding at Colorado Mountain College here in Leadville, Colorado. Welders are in high demand all across the world and jobs are unlimited. Anything cruise ships to battleships, race cars, it's almost 70 to 80% of anything you touch has some sort of welding involved in it. So the average age of a welder right now is 55 years old. So in the next 10 years, there's going to be a huge demand for welders.